You lost your mind. Maya, have you lost your mind? What?
Yes, mommy.
Oh, you have lost your mind? Oh, man.
I'm cheesy.
You're what? You're what?
Cheesy.
I don't know what you say when your mouth is full of food.
Mommy.
Yes.
I'm nuts.
You're nuts? Oh, I know what you said before. You said you were kidding, huh?
No.
No? What were you saying?
Poo.
Are you cuckoo?
No.
Are you a nut?
Yeah.
Oh, you are a nut. Are you totally crazy?
Yeah.
Are you insane? Are you loco? Oh, I'll take that as a yes. Gross. Please swallow your food before you open your mouth, you silly turkey. No, ma'am. Chew that down and swallow it. You're crazy. Are you having a nice dinner? Are you gonna eat some more? Oh, you sound like you need a drink.
Yeah.
Your drink's right there. No way, that's my drink. Can you say hasta la vista? What? Hasta la vista. Try again.
That told it.
Oh, you're too busy. You can't do it? Can you say ciao, baby?
Ciao, baby.
Nice.